How to fix Bluetooth speaker volume control not working in Windows. 1. Run Bluetooth troubleshooter. 2. Ensure that your Bluetooth speaker is set as the default device. 3. Roll back or reinstall your Bluetooth adapter, if you can. 4. Uninstall the latest Windows update. 5. Remove and re-add your Bluetooth device again. 6. Check the status of the Bluetooth support service. 7. Disable absolute volume. To do this, set 1 to disable absolute volume at hkey_local_machine /system/control set 001 /control /bluetooth /audio /avert /CT in registry. Reboot your PC.